Begin by attaching the rocker bottoms to both side frames. Please note that the short side of the rocker bottom should be oriented toward the front of the side frame. Feed one 3-inch screw completely through the pre-drilled hole at the front of the rocker bottom. Feed another 3-inch screw completely through the pre-drilled hole in the back of the rocker bottom. Thread the tip of the screw into the pilot hole located in the bottom of the front side frame post and tighten slightly. Fit the tip of the screw into the pilot hole in the bottom of the back side frame post and tighten slightly. Tighten both screws with a drill or the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Repeat this step to attach the other rocker bottom. Fit the back piece into the pre-made pockets in the right side frame. Secure with two 2.5-inch screws. Next, fit the seat into the pre-made pockets in the right side frame. Please note that the POLYWOOD medallion will be oriented toward the back of the rocker. Secure with two 2.5-inch screws. Attach the long brace to the front of the right side frame using one 3-inch screw. Attach the short brace to the back of the right side frame using one 3-inch screw. Fit the headrest into the pre-made pocket in the top of the right side frame as shown. Flip the rocker over and attach the left side frame to the rest of the assembled rocker using 3-inch screws and 2.5-inch screws. If you have any questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.